my friends, welcome to my KS vlog. Today we are making tailor bird nest with 2 leaves and one thread and cotton. Now I will show you in zoom in. Go. Now I have two leaves. Now I also wash him. Now we will use to switch him. Go. Now I am using to thread him. Now I am using the thread him. Now we are using to thread him. Now I'm stitching the leaves. Okay, now stitch also this side. Yes, we can use also this pen. Miss Go. Now I already stitched the leaves. Now I will pick the open to make the sides for birds. I make one hole like this. You can also use something like us the cotton. You can stick here to make this X and the tailor bird. Now I put all the cotton inside. Now we want to switch the stick. Now I will stitch the sticks, and now I will show you stitch the stick in zoom. Stick, now we are going to stick the birdhouse. Now I will show you zoom in into tree. Now we stick into the tree. See you for tomorrow my next vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, subscribe. Bye.